Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, beautiful and trendy crochet cushion cover designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts, beautiful flower patterns you can see also. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy crochet cushion cover design. Latest uploading ideas you can see in this my video. Those ladies who love such type of crochet cushion cover designs, beautiful designing ideas. If you want to buy this very beautiful crochet cushion cover design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. New designs, new ideas you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet cushion covers, bed sheets, pillow covers, women dresses, baby dresses, hanging ideas, fruit and vegetable ideas you can see also. Please friends, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my collection. Beautiful and stylish crochet knitted patterns you can see in this my video. Beautiful shapes and ideas. You can easily make this very beautiful crochet cushion covers if you know crochet work. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.